In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your subscriptions on Gmail. A lot of us accumulate subscriptions over time, sometimes more than we realize. These can be for newsletters, promotions, or updates from websites we've interacted with over the years. And while some might be useful, others can quickly clutter your inbox, leading to an overwhelming email experience. So let's dive in and see how you can regain control of your Gmail account by managing these subscriptions effectively. First off, open your browser and head to gmail.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, take a look at your inbox. You might notice emails labeled under categories like promotions, social, and updates. These categories are typically where your subscription-related emails land. Now, the goal is to identify which subscriptions you want to keep and which ones to cancel. An efficient way to begin is by finding a subscription email in your inbox from a service you no longer wish to receive updates. Open that email and you'll usually find an unsubscribe link at the bottom. Click this link to stop receiving emails from that particular sender in the future. It might direct you to a web page where you can manage your preferences further, sometimes even offering options to reduce the email frequency instead of opting out entirely. But what if you have numerous subscriptions and are unsure about which ones you're subscribed to? Enter the Gmail search feature. In the search bar, type unsubscribe. This keyword will help filter out emails that typically contain unsubscribe links, gathering a list of most subscription-based emails you receive. It's a quick way to see who is sending you what, all in one place. Once you identify the emails, you can repeat the process of opening them and clicking the unsubscribe link as needed. Alternatively, for those senders who don't offer an unsubscribe option, or if you wish for a more automated approach, you can try using Google's Filters and Blocked Addresses feature. You can set up a filter by clicking on the gear icon to access settings, then navigate to Filters and Blocked Addresses. From there, you can create a new filter by entering the email address you want to block. This will automatically send future emails from that address to your spam folder. While these tips will help you tidy up your inbox, remember to review your subscriptions occasionally. It's a sustainable practice to ensure your email remains organized and you're only receiving content that truly interests you. Taking the time today to manage your subscriptions could save you from email overload in the future, leading to a better email experience overall.